Hi everyone, I'm Brian with OBEDIA and PCAudioLabs, and I'm giving you a look today at the PCAudioLabs RokBox MC M7 Pro Audio laptop. This is our 15-inch model. We also have a 17-inch model. This is a laptop meant for pro audio and video production. We specify these systems specifically for those usages at PCAudioLabs.com, and you can find out more information there. I'm just going to show you the features on the laptop. You can get all the in-depth specifications and customize your system at PCAudioLabs.com. This is, as I say, a 15-inch screen. It is a matte finish screen. We do have a webcam, of course, on this model. There is a touchpad that is fully capable of utilizing multi-touch gestures. It also has dedicated left and right click buttons, and a backlit, full-size LED backlit keyboard that is capable of being changed to the color of your liking. And this system comes specified with different Intel CPUs, so you'll want to check out our website to see what Intel CPUs we use. But we always use very powerful mobile CPUs. You're not going to find Intel CPUs that are going to be on the lower end of the spectrum, meaning that they're not going to be as powerful, therefore less capable for audio production. We do prefer to use i7 and i9 CPUs. That all depends on the model that you, of course, choose at PCAudioLabs.com. You can also load up our systems with, in this case, up to 3 hard drives and a lot more RAM than you're going to find in other laptop systems as well, giving you the options for 16, 32, and 64 gigabytes of RAM. So you get lots of RAM in the system, plus you don't have to tote around an extra hard drive because you've got lots of storage right inside the laptop itself. Let's take a look at the ports that the laptop has. On the left-hand side of the laptop, you'll find a USB 3 port, a USB 2 port, and your audio output ports. On the back of the laptop, you'll find a DisplayPort output, HDMI, Ethernet, and your power outlet. And on this side, you'll find another USB 3 port, a USB 3.1 port, and a smart card. And there you have it, everyone. That is a look at the PCAudioLabs RokBox MC M7 15-inch Pro Audio laptop. You can find it at PCAudioLabs.com. And if you have any questions whatsoever, please feel free to reach out to us. Thanks as always for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care.
Today's pro audio hardware and software can give you excellent results if you know how to use it properly. OBEDIA can help you to get the most out of your pro audio hardware and software. Why spend your time scouring the internet for answers or digging through manuals? With one quick call to an OBEDIA technician, you'll be connected with someone who can give you the answers that you need in real time via phone and remote desktop. OBEDIA technicians are trained in all major digital audio applications on Mac, PC, iOS, and Android devices. OBEDIA member subscriptions are cost-effective, give you great member benefits, and OBEDIA is here 7 days a week to help you get the most out of your digital audio hardware and software. No matter what your level of expertise, OBEDIA can help you to stay focused and productive and get your music back on track. Start taming your technology today with OBEDIA.